Hey guys, today I am going to be installing the high lift hood strut kit from GrimmSpeed for the 2003 to 2008 Subaru Forester. In the kit comes your hood struts, pretty much your trim for the hood struts, so they can look cool, I guess. Your ball ends for your hood struts, your ball end clips. Here's your two nuts for up at the hinges. Here's your 4 hood bolts for the hinges, and these go on each side to connect the strut to. And alright, I'm going to go ahead and get to this. Alright, you're going to start off by removing your fender bolt. Alright, then you thread in the ball stud for the strut. It tightens up with a 13. Alright, with your 12. You want to take this one out. Okay. And you will thread the bolt supplied by GrimmSpeed, which is a 13. Make sure it fits behind. Okay. Now, take the other one out. Okay, you'll have to hold it kinda. Not only kinda, you will have to hold it. Alright. Start your bolt. Alright. For whatever reason, they give you 2 different sizes. Only on this side, I'm missing a 13, one of the 13s. They gave me 3 13s and a 12. Okay. And, okay. There is a clip right here that you'll have to kind of flip up and slide out. Then you can pull your ball off, your ball stud, I should say. Alright. There. Okay. And this is where your wrench comes in. There's that. Then you snap that back on. Okay. You gotta put your clip back in. Alright, there's that. Alright. There's that. Make sure you put your clip on this side. All right, this side is done. All right, now on to this side. Let's go ahead and remove our fender bolt. Whoop, wrong way. Whoops. Alright, put that there. Grab our ball in. Alright, snug that up. Alright, let's go ahead. Take out our bottom bolt. Okay, there's that. Go ahead and start our 13. Oh no. You gotta make sure this hasn't crossed everything. Okay, there we go. Once again, make sure you leave yourself some space, and I did not. All right. Okay. There's that one all the way out. 13. Okay. And snug that one. Do this one. Okay. Get this little cap off that I forgot to take off. Damn. You have to take this clip off. Tell you what, man, they make pretty good quality because this thing is in there. Just, all right. Okay. Tighten this up. Okay. Slap that bad boy back in. Find that hole here. All right, there's that part. Put your clip back in. I can't believe how high quality this stuff is. All right, that's all there is to it. I want you guys to see this. Look at that. Let me back up here. That is almost straight up and down. I put this on there for ease of like maintenance stuff. And as you can tell, I mean, it's up there. It's pretty awesome. But that's it. They are installed, and I love it actually. But yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that, just let me know. Sorry it's so awkward. It's my first YouTube video, but I appreciate you guys if you stay till the end. And I have more videos to come, and I appreciate it for visiting my small channel. Have a good evening.